Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you some amazing codes you can try on your Chinese smartwatch. So guys, without further delay, let's get right into the video. So guys, before the video starts, I just want to let you guys know that it may not work on all of the smartwatches. For example, on my GT08 these codes were not working, but on the other model of this GT08 these codes were working without any problem. So with that being said, let's get into the video. So the first thing you have to do is you have to of course turn on your smartwatch and go to this call dialer, and the first code I'm going to show you is these codes are going to be in the description below if you want to read it from there. The first code you can try is star hash 1 2 3 4 and then again hash. As soon as you will press the hash, it will go straight into the settings, and basically it is A2DP ATS mode. So I don't know much about this mode, but according to the internet it basically turns on some high quality signals for music. And if you want to turn it off again, all you have to do is type that code again, star hash 1 2 3 4 hash, and basically it's going to turn it off and it's going to get to the normal mode. So guys, the second code I want to share with you guys is star hash 364 6633 and then hash. So basically it's going to let you know about different settings of your smartwatch, and it's definitely useful, and you can know about different settings such as network settings, device, audio, GPRS, and these settings are also useful if you are flashing ROM into your smartwatch. Then these codes are going to be very useful for you guys. And you can also do RAM test, and it's going to tell you whether everything is fine or not. And it's also great if you're buying a smartwatch and you want to know that all the functions are working properly or not. So these settings are also very nice to know, and you can learn these codes, and you can also try it on your smartphone just for fun, just to know more about your smartwatch. So guys, the third code I want to let you guys know is actually a very important one, and it's also very useful. So first things first, you have to go to the keypad. After that, type in star hash 66 and then again star hash. From here you can know a lot of things. You can know the version of your smartwatch, although some other settings which I don't know much about, but the good thing is you can check some function of the smartwatch. Maybe if you are purchasing a smartwatch, or you want to know whether these functions are working or not. For example, you can check the loudspeaker, as you can hear. Also the vibrator, it will start to vibrate, and all you have to do is to turn it off is click on off. And also the ringtone, and also the LED, the keypad LED, the status LED, and there are a lot of other functions which are very nice. You want to check the LCD, auto display, the colors, and you can also know about some other settings such as LED or anything else, LED contrast, main LCD. So these things are just to so guys, you can know that whether all of the functions on your smartwatch is working or not. So it's a very nice code. You can definitely try on your smartwatch, and you can discover some new things. So guys, the last and final code I want to share with you guys is, so basically first things first, you have to open the keypad, and then you have to type in star hash 06, and as soon as you are going to press the hash key, it's going to show you your IMEI number, which is written on the back of your smartwatch, but sometimes it's not, and maybe if you're having some problem you can easily find it out from here. So sorry guys, I cannot show it on camera because actually I have been told that not to show it to anyone. So as you can see, it shows up right here. So guys, that's it for this video, and one last time I just want to let you guys know that it may not work on all of the smartwatch. For example, this is a GT08 smartwatch and some of these codes were not working on it because every smartwatch has a different firmware. On this smartwatch, it's a X-Touch O2 smartwatch. It's from a company known as X-Touch. So all the codes were working very nicely on this smartwatch, and both of the smartwatches are made in China, but for some reason on GT08 some codes were not working, but on some different version of the GT08 these codes are working. So I just want to let you guys know. So guys, thanks for watching.